Okay, we need to have some wood for our wood burner. This is a wood cutting and a splitting set in 3 pieces. That's brand is Roughneck. So it includes a splitting maul, an axe, and a wood grenade, which actually splits the logs for you. So I've also hammer already. So let's open and see what is inside, and then I will go and try to see without cutting my fingers to do some wood splitting. Okay, let's see what is inside. Oh, that's practically a hammer also. And this is the small one, and that's the Roughneck axe. Oh, okay, let me just pick this one. Nice. Fiberglass. This big one is also quite heavy. Good, 2.8 kilograms. Need to wear gloves with this. And this is pistol resistance. Breaks the log from 4 directions. So we have 4 pieces here. Going now to test. Okay, I use this log as an anvil. I may just even split it if I can. And let's see what we can do now. So far so good. It's already seen some progress. Let's continue. Yeah, there's a split. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's done. Almost. Just can put this side also. So let's see what we can do. Beautiful. Split in 2 some small pieces. Now I'm going to split it further. The trick is that you have to follow the grain lines. Hallelujah, we have split this one also. So that's right, now 2 pieces. Now we can further split this one. Okay, I will split this one also in 2. Now let's see what we can do with this. Okay, this one also is split. If we can split this further, I just put it here. That's it. Okay, this is also split. Nice. Now I will split this further. That means that whole log is gone if I do this. Yeah, this is also split in 2. And that's my wedge. Now, should I do this also? Let me see if I can. Yeah, hallelujah. This is also split. Let me see if I can do with this. These are good now. I can take them. This now has to be done. I need a subsurface here. Probably I should use a bigger lock for this kind of jobs. Yeah, that one is also split. Now let's do this one, then finish. Collect and go. That one also split. Going for next one. This is done also. I think that just can also burn on itself. I remove the wedge. So really good, easy. That wedge is really good. It's worth the price. I have 2 buckets of the logs. One is already gone, and this is the second one. And now I can pack it back and put it in storage. Okay, it's going to be clear and frosty tonight, so we really need these logs that I did cut. So bring it on. We had snow today, and as you can see, there's some it's on this hills around us.
Pieces in the back, I mean, these pieces are 25, 30 inches in diameter. They're pretty good size. And I just got to the point in life where I realized, you know, and I just want to show you how nice this tool is. It digs right in, and then you can just roll that puppy to get her off the pile. It's a really big one. So here's a log that, you know, I'm sure I could probably take a pry bar or something and get it in there. But with this guy,
We have all the log we need, and I'll put one of them in. And now I've made it a light. Going to close. Leave it ajar for a while so it receives lots of oxygen. And when it is done, I will adjust this air vent, which is now at the maximum. I'll put it at the middle, then after half an hour middle, then after another hour I'll just put it at the end, so it will burn gradually, gently. Practically, we are trying to live off-grid as much as possible. During the COVID, that's actually his advantage.